Hey friends, hello, hi, how are you? We are here to do the last cash stuffing of January 2025. What even is that? I don't know. All right, let's see. Today is going to be probably a pretty short video. Once again, I said I was going to stuff my finished challenges possibly in this video, but I think I'm actually going to do it in a separate video because I do have a little bit of cash from my change that was cashed in. So I think I'm going to do a little mini savings challenge stuffing with this, and I'm going to also stuff the completed challenges in that video. So yeah, I think this is going to be a regular cash stuffing. Let's check our rollover. I have money, a lot of money here. This is for my mom. I have to set that aside. Over here is the cash for the cash stuffing. And then as far as change goes, I only have a little bit. I'm going to pop it in my change jar. I do have that cash in there from what was cashed in, but we are starting the change jar over. So yeah, I didn't count this. I don't know how much it is, but just by looking at it, it looks like around $47, probably exactly 47, just because I could see the bills in there. But this is what we're working with for change this time. It might help if I'm in frame. And so yeah, we are starting that once again. Okay, roll over. Let's see. It seems like it's a pretty good amount. Let me put this in order really quickly so that I can count it up. Okay, it's not as much as I thought. Oh, wait, we do have some more 20s here. Yay! Okay, this might be the most rollover in a while. All right, so I give myself $150 for the 2 weeks of spending. And left over from that, we have 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice, 107. Where's George? www.where'sgeorge.com. Never saw that ever. But that's interesting. Do you guys know anything about that? Should I look that up and trace this dollar? Because that might be fun. Okay, so that rollover goes to the side. That's going to go towards savings challenges. And let's work on the budget here. So this is my Bright Undated Budget Planner. It is available on Amazon. It won't be spiral bound like this, but you can still get, the planner from Amazon. It is linked below, and it is very colorful, and it is undated, so you could do it anytime, any year. And again, this is the last paycheck of January, so I should have 160 here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 160. And I need some change. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't necessarily want to put all 20s in my savings challenges, but I guess that's what we're going to have to do. Okay. So, let's see. 150 goes to the wallet. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 45, 50. 150, and then I have $10 left over for some sinking funds. We're putting $45 into sinking funds. Right now, my budget is pretty tight. We recently bought the house. We have a big mortgage now and everything, but I still like to try to stuff some things into my sinking funds when I can. Sorry, I shook you. Even if it's $5, which you could see here, I am doing $5 in some of these. It's something, and it still makes me feel like, I'm doing a little bit, and it's important that I keep that up, because if I slack on that, my sinking funds might never get stuffed. so we are starting with Amazon Prime. We're putting 20. I did have this fully funded, but I did have to take out some money to go towards my Supernatural subscription. So I took out, I guess I didn't mark down how much I took out. This was my tracker. I could get rid of that now, I guess. And so we're going to put 20 back in, and that's just prop money. So I'm just going to pull that out, and put that in. And then let's see, we have 100, 150, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 194. And I think that, I do 220, total. So I don't know. I'm going to do 20 next month, and then that might be it. So we're technically not starting to save for March of 2025, or, okay, March of 2026. So this is due March of 2025, 2 months. We're technically not starting to save yet for next March until I get this fully funded again, which it's going to probably be $20 more that I put in here, and then the rest, if I need it, will come out of a buffer. So that's how that's going to work. Okay, that was really long-winded. Okay, emergency is going to get 5. And once again, no, it is not a lot, but it's something. I do need a new tracker. Let me see if I can locate one. Okay, at the moment, I am not locating a tracker, so we're going to squeeze this in here at the bottom. Today is January 23rd, and I could put it on the back, but the back is blank, and so, yeah. All right, that's done. I'm also going to color in one of these 5s right here on my savings challenge tracker. And I know I say this all the time, but I like this tracker specifically because it's just 5s and 10s, so I can color something in even when I don't put a lot of money in. Okay, did we put the 5 in? I don't think so. Let's see, grab 5. All right, and now we have 100, 200, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, $223. So, you know, we're slowly, very slowly getting there. Okay, let's see. Penelope Medical is going to get 5. And that's going to be real cash, just so that, you know, I have real cash to bring to the doctor to pay or whatever. So let me mark that down. And that's going to be 5. And since it is the new year, my deductible has reset. Our deductible is $500, which might seem high, but in insurance terms, that is an extremely low deductible. We are very lucky. If I've never said this before, I work in health insurance, so I kind of know the ins and outs. So yeah, a $500 deductible is really, really good. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 35, 45, 50, 150. And I would like to get this up to 500. I know I'm going to meet my deductible this year because of my CPAP. So whatever the supplies cost or the monthly rental fee or whatever it is, I have to pay that until my deductible is met. So I know I'm going to meet the 500 this year. So there we go. Okay, that's medical. And then car maintenance, I think, is in the other binder. So we have 2 funds left, and then I will let you go. And I finally switched back to my old binder, you guys. This binder was a gift from Liz over at Busy Lizzie's Budget. And I finally made some new envelopes. These were the envelopes I had, and they had colorful vinyl on them, but they had other labels for things I wasn't using. So I had to scrape off all of the vinyl, and I had these glue remover wipes from Temu. They worked pretty well, but there was still, I felt like, kind of some sticky residue. So what I did was, this was the side where the labels were. I just turned them around and put new labels on the backs just so it wasn't as sticky. So this is Penelope. This is my dog. She's getting $5. And I still have not made her vet appointment. I am majorly slacking this year. I don't know why. I think probably because I know it's going to cost more than I have. I don't know, but it needs to get done. Okay, so in here we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2. 192 in here. And if I take her to the vet and I get the like flea and tick stuff and the heartworm stuff, it's going to be over 300. So that's not enough, clearly. All right, let's see. The last one we're doing is car maintenance, and we're just putting $10 in there. And I feel like it's been a while since I've stuffed this one. Yeah, October. So let's see, January 23rd. Again, I try to put at least something in here. Okay, 50, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, $94. My car, I need to go get it checked out. So I don't know if you all are watching and you have maybe a significant other, spouse, family member, friend, someone who knows about cars. My car like hesitates when I accelerate. It's not every time, but it does happen every time I drive, but it's not like every second or anything like that, but it like hesitates. There's kind of no other way to describe it. And that's definitely not normal. So I really need to go get it checked out. But if you have anybody that knows about cars, maybe they might know what the issue is. I did try to Google it, and it did say it could be a number of things, like a dirty oil filter or something. So I'm hoping it's nothing bad. But yeah, it's we need to get it checked out. So that's that. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Look out for the savings challenge video. Look out for the completed challenges stuffing along with a little mini stuffing. And yeah, I'll see you in those videos. Bye.